Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin rose 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The gold rose 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The oil dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The United Arab Emirates on Sunday criticized the current oil output deal among OPEC Plus alliance members as unjust, escalating a row that could derail the energy market's post-pandemic recovery. Morrisons has agreed to a takeover led by SoftBank-owned Fortress Investment Group that values Britain's fourth-largest supermarket chain at $8.7 billion. In the first quarter this year, various central banks held $287.46 billion worth of Chinese RMB in official foreign exchange reserves, the highest level since the fourth quarter of 2016.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Spain's market services PMI will be released at 7:15 GMT, the French industrial output at 6:45 GMT, Japan's overall household spending at 23:30 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI will be released at 0:30 GMT, the UK's Market Services PMI at 8:30 GMT, Australia's retail sales at 1:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.